Hi friends, welcome to Kill Math. So friends, today we are going to discuss the revision exercises of simultaneous linear equations. So in the next video we will be going on to the another chapter. So in this video we will be completing this chapter. So the first question is on your screen. 90% acid solution, that is 90% pure acid and 10% water, and 97% acid solution are mixed to obtain 21 liters of 95% acid solution. How many liters of each solution are mixed? So let for the 90% acid solution, we can assume x liters, and 97% acid solution we shall assume y liters. So what's given in the question is these both liters, x liters and y liters, are combined to form 21 liters. So x plus y is nothing but 25. X plus y is equal to 21. 21 liters. Let us make this as our first equation. So the second case is 90% acid solution and 97% acid solution are mixed to obtain 21 liters of 95% acid solution. That is nothing but 90% of acid solution. So for 90% we are having x liters, 90% of x plus 97% acid solution. 97% of y is equal to 21 liters of 95% acid solution. 25 liters of is nothing but multiplication 97 percentage. That is nothing but 90% of x is nothing but 90 by 100x. Percentage is nothing but divided by 100, x plus 97% of y. 97% by 100, 97 by 100 into y is equal to 25 into 97 percentage. 25 into, sorry, it is 21. 21 liters of 95% is nothing but 95 by 100. So let us now solve them. So here you can see you are getting 100 and 100, so no need to take the LCM. LCM is nothing but 100. So 90x plus 97y is equal to 95 into 21 by 100, where 100 and 100 gets cancelled. So we are getting 90x plus 97y is equal to 95 into 21 is nothing but 1995. So now we got our second equation as well. This is our first equation, x plus y is equal to 21. And our second equation is nothing but 90x plus 97y is equal to 1995. So let us now make x terms similar. X terms similar. So in order to make this term similar, I will multiply x with 90, but I have to multiply the whole equation with 90, so I am multiplying it, and this I need not multiply with anything, that is nothing but 1. So now we are getting 90x plus 90 into y is nothing but 90y is equal to 21 into 90, nothing but 1890. So below the second equation is nothing but 90x plus 97y is equal to 1995. 1995. So when it becomes minus, these two will be cancelled. So this becomes minus and this also becomes minus. 90 minus 97 is nothing but minus 7y is equal to 1995 minus 1890. I am just doing the reverse because so as to we should get the correct number, and we can put minus sign in front of it. So we will be getting minus 105, where minus and minus gets cancelled. 7 ones are 7 15s are. So our y is equal to 15. So our y is nothing but 97% is acid solutions quantity. So 97% acid solution is nothing but 15 liters. So let us now substitute the value of y in this equation, x plus y is equal to 21. So now we are getting x plus y is nothing but 15 is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 minus 15, nothing but 6. So x we are getting 6 liters and y we are getting 15 liters. X is nothing but 90% acid solution. 90% acid solution is nothing but 6 liters. So at last, if you want to check, you can add these two. So you will get 15 plus 6 nothing but 21. So let us move on to the second question. The question is on your screen. The question is, Mr. and Mrs. Ahuja weighed X kg and Y kg respectively. They both take a dieting course, at the end of which Mr. Ahuja loses 5 kg and weighs as much as his wife weighed before the course. That is the first case. And the second case is, Mrs. Ahuja loses 4 kg and weighs 7/8 of her husband weight before the course. Form the two equations in X and Y. Find their weights before taking the dieting course. So let Mr. Ahuja, I am writing Ahuja with A. So Mr. Ahuja weigh X kg. And Mrs. Ahuja weigh Y kg. So now it is given they weigh X and Y kg respectively. They both take a dieting course, at the end of which Mr. Ahuja is nothing but X kg, loses 5 kg. So loses is nothing but minus 5 and weighs as much as his wife before the course. So before the course is nothing but Y. So we are taking X and Y before the course only. It's given in the question itself. Okay. And we can get X minus Y is equal to 5. We can assume this as our first equation, and in the second case it is given Mrs. Ahuja nothing but Y. So Mrs. Ahuja Y loses 4 kg is nothing but minus 4. So if you go according to the question, we will get the equations very simple. Loses 4 kg and weighs 7/8 of her husband before the course. So her husband weight is before the course is X. So 7/8 of X is equal to 7/8 of X. So now we are getting 8 into Y minus 4 is equal to 7x. I have just done the cross multiplication. So now we are getting 8y minus 32 is equal to 7x. We are getting 8y minus 7x is equal to 32. So this is our second equation. So now we got the first equation as well as the second equation. So let us keep them in the page and solve it. So the first equation is nothing but x minus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 5, and the second equation is 8y minus 7x is equal to 32. 8y minus 7x is equal to 32. So if I write 8y minus 7x is equal to 32. So here x and y are matching and y and x are matching, so there will be a difficult in the sum. So now let us write 7x minus 8y is equal to minus 32. So now we will solve it by the method of elimination by equating coefficients. So let us now solve it. X minus y, I want to equate x terms. I want to now equate x terms. So x and 7x, y and 8y. So x into 7. So this equation I will multiply with 7 and this equation with 1. So 7x minus 7y is equal to 7 5 is 35. And here also we are getting 7x minus 8y is equal to 32 into 1 nothing but minus 32 only. So now let us solve it. Here we will get minus, we can take minus, so 7x and 7x will be cancelled, and here we will get plus, here also we will get plus. So minus 7x plus 8y, sorry, minus 7y plus 8y. So 8 minus 7 is nothing but 1y. So we are getting y is equal to 35 plus 32 nothing but 67 kilograms. So Mrs. Ahuja weighs y kg before taking the dieting course. So now let us solve for Mr. Ahuja. So here we are having a equation x minus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 67. X minus 67 is equal to 5. X is equal to 72 kilograms. kilograms. So now we got the value of y as well as x. So Mr. Ahuja weighs 72 kg before the course and Mrs. Ahuja weighs 67 kg before the dieting course. So let us go to the third question. The question is on your screen. That is, a lending library has a fixed charges for first 3 days. So a lending library is having a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter, means for the next day after 3rd day, that is 4th day, 5th day, 6th day and so on. It is having a additional charge. So therefore what happened, that next is Geeta paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days while Mohit paid 21 for 5 days. Find the fixed charges as well as the charge for each extra day. So I'll just explain you first what is the case. A lending library shop or library is there. So if a book is brought in that library, if a book is bought from that library for 3 days, for the first 3 days it is having some charge. Let us take 2 rupees. So from the 4th day means how many days he or she borrowed. If he or she borrowed 7 days, so remaining 4 days, one day one charge we are having. So he is asking to find that fixed charges, that is for 3 days, and charge for each extra day, that is from the 4th day onwards. So let us find. Let us take fixed charges. Fixed charges is equal to x, and extra charge, that for each day, each extra day is equal to y. So now the first 3 days. So first 3 days we are having for the first 3 days we are having x charges, x rupees, and for 7 days, Geeta took for 7 days, so we are having x plus 4 days, 4 days of charge, that we don't know, that is nothing but 4y, as we have assumed the extra charge is rupees y. Okay, 4y so you are getting it 4y, and let us solve this equation first, that is 7 days is nothing but x plus 4y. So this is our price, and the total price, total cost is given in the question, that is Geeta paid 27 rupees for 7 days. So that is 27. We are getting 27. So x plus 4y is equal to rupees 27. And next it is given 5 days. So x is for 3 days, and if you want 5 days, 3 after 4 and 5, 2 days are remaining, and 2 days each costs y rupees. So we will get 2y, x plus 2y. So that will write here x plus 2y is equal to the cost charged on it is nothing but rupees 21. So let us write it 21. The cost is 21, that is charged on all 5 days. So now we got our first equation as well as second equation. So let us solve them by the method of elimination by equating coefficients. X plus 4y x plus 4y is equal to 21, and x plus 2y is equal to, okay, it is 27, and x plus 2y is equal to 21. X plus 2y is equal to 21. So now there is no need of multiplying because we have already x and x, so we will keep minus. X and x will be cancelled, and here also we should change the signs. So we are getting 4 minus 2 nothing but 2y is equal to 27 minus 21. is nothing but 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. We are getting y is equal to 3. So y is nothing but, so for the charge paid for each additional day, so charge paid for each additional day is nothing but rupees 3. So we now to find x, that is for 3 days fixed charge, we are having the equation x plus 2y is equal to 21, x plus 2 into, I am taking it as 3 because the y value is nothing but 3. We got it by solving, so we got 21. X plus 6 is equal to 21. Our x is equal to rupees 15. So hope you understood the concept of today's video, children. So thank you for watching my video, friends. If you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Kill Math. Meet you on the next video.